Welcome to my channel, Modern Stoic. With these 2 words, you'll instantly be irresistible to any woman have you ever seen. That guy who's not the best looking, not rich, doesn't have status, but still manages to attract the most desired women. His secret isn't in what he has, but in what he says, and more importantly, how he says it. The truth is, 85% of attraction doesn't come from your achievements or your looks, but from the way you make a woman feel when you open your mouth. And today, I'm going to reveal the 2 words that can completely change the way women see you. This isn't about manipulation or playing games, it's about real connection. Most men talk too much about themselves, try to impress with stories and accomplishments, but forget the most important thing. Women don't fall in love with arguments. They fall in love with emotions. And what few men know is that there's one simple phrase so powerful, it can instantly make any woman feel close to you. Something that speaks directly to the feminine instinct and makes her think this guy is different. Stay with me until the end, because not only will I show you what those 2 words are, but I'll also teach you how to use them the right way without sounding fake, without trying too hard, and without making the mistakes that 99% of men make. And if you've heard of this before, be careful. Most people get it wrong and end up ruining everything without even realizing it. Want to know what it is? Then go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And come with me, because this is going to change your game forever. Let's start with the fatal mistake, why being the nice guy doesn't work, and how it kills attraction. Since you were a kid, you were told that being polite, kind, and helpful was the way to win someone over. But here comes the hard truth. Being just the nice guy is the perfect recipe to be ignored. It's not about turning into a jerk. It's about understanding that no woman falls for a man who makes her feel nothing. The problem with the nice guy is that he's predictable. He agrees with everything, avoids conflict, and is afraid to say what he really thinks. The result, he becomes background noise present. But invisible? Women don't want a mirror that only reflects what they say. They want someone who adds to the conversation. Someone with a personality. Think of a movie where you already know the ending. From the start, boring, right? That's exactly how women see the guy, who only says what they want to hear. No surprises, no tension, no spark. To get the heart race attraction is born from contrast, not constant agreement. And worst of all, when you try too hard to please, you lose your masculine energy. Women naturally seek men who take the lead, who have opinions, who guide, not a puppet, who just says yes to everything. You don't have to be rude, but you do have to be solid in who you are. Here's the secret that changes everything. Women aren't attracted to perfect men, but to interesting ones. And interesting is the guy who challenges, who stirs emotion, who isn't afraid to be real. Now, I'm going to teach you how to escape the trap of being the nice guy and trigger the real feminine switch. Emotion triggering a woman's emotions is the key. Why women connect through emotion, not logic. Men talk about achievements. Women remember feelings while you're busy, trying to impress her by mentioning your job title, your car, or your latest trip. She only cares about one thing, how you make her feel. If there's no emotion, there's no connection. It's that simple. Have you noticed that women rarely become obsessed with guys who do everything right? They fall for the ones who stir their emotions, the ones who make them laugh, challenge them, create tension. Logic is for contracts. Passion is for experiences that sweep you off your feet. Here's the trick. The female brain processes emotions more intensely than the male brain. When you speak to a woman, she's not just hearing your words, she's feeling your energy, your tone of voice, your confidence. Fear. If all you do is list facts, you become a boring podcast. But if you hit the right emotional notes, you become the story. She wants to live the biggest mistake men make, trying to convince a woman to like them with arguments. I have a good job. I'm a nice guy. I treat you well. None of that matters if she doesn't feel something. When she's with you, attraction isn't a negotiation. It's a chemical reaction. And that's where the power of the right words comes in. It doesn't matter how perfect your script is if you don't know how to speak the language of emotion. In the next few minutes, you'll discover the 2 magic words that make any woman instantly connect with you and how to use them to become truly unforgettable. The 2 magic words, the reveal of I understand and its psychological impact. Now that you understand that emotions drive women, it's time for the reveal. That can change your game. The 2 most powerful words you can use are I understand sounds too simple, that simplicity is exactly what makes it so powerful when used the right way. The power of these words lies in what they represent. Emotional validation when a woman shares something with you. She's not looking for solutions or judgments. She wants to feel understood. Saying I understand creates a safe space where she can open up without fear. Psychological studies show that after survival, the deepest human need is to be understood when you say, I understand. With genuine authenticity, you tap into a primal desire that very few men ever access in women. But be careful, this isn't about pretending to agree. The real impact comes when you show a sincere understanding of her emotional experience. Not just the facts, it's about connecting with the feeling behind the words. What makes I understand so special is that it disrupts the typical dynamic of most conversations. While most men are trying to impress or correct you, stand out as someone who truly sees the world through her eyes. This approach triggers a powerful psychological effect called emotional mirroring. When she feels truly understood, her brain begins to associate that positive feeling with your presence. And that's how deep attraction is born. In the next minute of this video, you're going to learn how to turn these 2 simple words into a powerful connection tool. But a word of caution, if you use this the wrong way, it can backfire. So pay very close attention to what comes next, how to use it the right way, the rules for applying. I understand with authenticity the difference between I understand being magical or disastrous lies in how you deliver it. The first golden rule is never use it as an automatic response. Women have a radar for insincerity, and if it feels rehearsed, you lose all credibility. You need to align your words, body language, and tone of voice saying, I understand. While looking at your phone or using a flat tone is worse than saying nothing at all, your body must communicate the same message your mouth is speaking. Timing is everything. Use these words when she's sharing something. Emotionally meaningful. Fears, frustrations, dreams, saying, I understand. When she's talking about traffic, doesn't have the same impact as when she's opening up about a deep insecurity. It's all about balance. Repeating, I understand, after every sentence will come off as fake use. It's sparingly in the right moments and follow up with questions that show genuine interest. That must have been tough. How did you deal with it? Avoid the fatal mistake of following I understand with a but or trying to solve her problem. The power lies in keeping the emotional validation pure without correcting her or giving unsolicited advice. Resist the male urge to fix things. Practice active listening before using these words. You can only say, I understand for real. If you're fully present in the conversation, absorbing not just her words, but the emotions behind them. This requires total focus on her when mastered. This technique creates a bond that few men ever achieve. But the real power isn't in the words themselves. It's in what happens after them. In the next chapter, you'll discover the domino effect this triggers in a woman's mind and how it can lead to levels of attraction you never thought possible. The ripple effect, how this technique sparks respect, attraction, and desire when you use. I understand the right way. It sets off a powerful chain reaction. In a woman's mind, it all starts with respect, the foundation of any genuine interaction. She notices that you're different from the average guy who only talks about himself. The second stage is emotional connection. Once she feels truly understood, her defenses start to drop naturally. This builds an intimacy that most men never reach, especially not so quickly. The third wave is unconscious attraction. Her brain begins to associate your presence with positive feelings of acceptance and comfort. This creates a much deeper pull than any surface-level compliment ever could. The fourth effect is a genuine desire for more interaction. She starts seeking your presence because you become the one guy. She can just be herself around without fear of being judged. The fifth level is admiration, when you consistently show this ability. She starts to see you as emotionally mature, and unlike most men, traits that are extremely attractive. At the sixth stage, you become memorable, while other guys fade into the background. You stand out by connecting on a much deeper level. And finally, the seventh effect is natural sexual attraction that grows from this emotional connection. It's not about seduction tricks. It's about creating the emotional space for desire to rise organically. Now, you're going to master the skill, how to make. I understand part of your personality. True mastery isn't about repeating words. It's about making this approach a natural part of who you are. Start by practicing active listening in your daily life. With friends, family, co-workers, the second step is developing genuine patience. Resist the urge to interrupt or offer quick solutions. Learn to become comfortable with the silences that come during deep conversations. Third, build your emotional intelligence. Try to identify not just what people are saying, but what they're feeling. This improves with practice and careful observation. Fourth, let go of the need for approval. I understand only works when it's authentic. Not when you're trying to please someone. This requires confidence in who you are. Fifth, practice total presence. When talking to someone, be 100% there. No distractions, no planning. What you're going to say next? With time, this becomes second nature. Sixth, adapt your communication. The same principle can be expressed in different ways that make sense. I totally get you. I can imagine how that felt. Find your natural variations. And finally, remember, this is a journey. Don't expect perfection from the start. Every interaction is an opportunity to improve your ability to genuinely connect with others. At the end of the day, winning over. A woman was never about tricks or memorized lines. It's about the rare ability to make someone feel truly seen and understood. While most men chase magic formulas, you have discovered the secret behind real connection. I understand isn't just a technique. It's a communication philosophy. When you master this approach, you stop competing with other men in looks or status. You create your own game where emotional depth is your greatest strength. Imagine how your love life would change if every woman you met felt that you were different. If instead of trying to impress you, naturally captivated them by how you made them feel. That's the power you now hold. But listen, knowledge without action is just theory. What makes the difference is putting this into practice. Start today in small interactions and notice how people begin to respond differently to your presence. Remember, women don't fall in love with words, but with the feeling those words create. When you speak the language of emotion, you don't have to convince anyone to like you. It happens naturally. Now I want to hear from you. Have you used this principle before without even realizing it? Or are you going to try it for the first time? After watching this video, drop a comment below. Type, I'm going to practice if you're ready to bring this skill into your life. Or, it already works. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share the video and subscribe to our channel, Modern Stoic, and also press the bell icon button so that our next video will reach you easily. Thank you very much.